Hello. Just Clark coming at you with Go Broke Investing quick clips. Today, we're going to be talking about the US government and their efforts to regulate stablecoins. So we'll jump right to it. So looking at this headline here on Decrypt, it says Biden working group calls for stablecoin issuers like Tether to be regulated like banks. So if you're not that familiar with stablecoins, you have these group of cryptocurrencies which are pretty much tied to the US dollar. When you look at them on various platforms, the price is always $1. So one of the reasons why these stable coins came into existence is that they give the opportunity for an investor. Let's say you buy some crypto, right? You bought some Ethereum, maybe you bought some Bitcoin. You caught the last bull run, and then you notice that the price is starting to drop and you want to protect your profits, right? So you can cash out, and instead of putting it to the US dollar, if you're going to continue to hold it in a crypto exchange or hold it in a crypto wallet, you can peg it, you can buy it and liquidate as a stable coin. So you have USDC, you have Tether, you have DAI, and various other stable coins. And a good way for people to protect their profits is to liquidate from a cryptocurrency to a stable coin, protecting their profits. And then when the market is more favorable, get back in the market and buy some other cryptocurrency. So stable coins are very popular. There are billions and billions of stable coins on the market. But the controversy about stable coins, again, is that not all of them are created equal. So many of the stable coins out there, the two famous ones, more popularly used ones, are USDT or Tether, or USDC called Circle, right? So they both proclaim to be a dollar for dollar, one stable coin for one US dollar for the amount that they have in their circulating supply. But USDT was recently, earlier this year, was investigated, they were audited, and they couldn't prove their claim. So a lot of people are very suspicious of them. Now they're calling for regulation because people are saying that, it's a way for them, they can hurt investors when they're claiming that they're protecting investors, right? So now what they're trying to do with this regulation is have the government regulators treat them just the same way that they treat banks. So the companies behind them, the organization behind Tether, the organization behind USDC or Circle would be treated like banks, and then they would have to have the same rules and regulations that the banks have. They would have to have the same insurance. They would have to have all of these different compliances. But again, a lot of people in the crypto world see this as just a way of the world governments just crippling crypto and crippling stable coins, because another one of the benefits that platforms do is that they reward retail investors who hold stable coins, right? Because stable coins pretty much serve as the oil that greases the wheels of these exchanges, right? This is the base currency, just like the US dollar is the base currency for most financial transactions globally. Well, stable coins is the base currency for the crypto space, right? So the majority of the platforms. So they reward people for holding stable coins. You'll actually make, for most of the coins out there, you'll make more by holding a stable coin and staking than you would from regular cryptocurrency, right? So again, there's a lot of back and forth, who's right and who's wrong, but it's very interesting to see that their only way to attack crypto right now is by attacking stable coins. And we'll see some USDC, they said that they'll play along, they're not gonna fight the regulation. And they said that they're gonna be as stringent as possible so that the US government can trust in them, so that retail investors can trust in them. So let's see what these rules are going to be. Everything is still being decided. Again, we're talking before about how the US government is going to tax crypto earnings. A lot of this stuff is still in play. So as these things continue to develop, we'll keep our eye on it and see what we can bring to you.